Mama Cho.
Mama Cho.
And you is
Killian.
Killian. Killian, hello.
Hello.
This is baby Killian and I'm the Mama Cho.
Mama Cho.
Mama Cho. And my husband called Papa Bo. If Papa Bo is come here, call him Papa Bo. Okay?
What? You have a son. It's called Sinto.
Tonton. Kuya Tonton.
Kuya Dondon.
Kuya Tonton. Mama Cho and Papa Bo. And baby Killian.
I'm not a baby anymore.
Because you grow up.
And I can talk now.
Okay. Baby is not
Binili ko
talk.
to kagabi. Ang mahal pala nito.
Ano yan?
Istinihawa.
Maria Clara. Uy, masarap yan, no? Para siyang wine.
Mine?
Uy, nagbibideo kami to how to speak English.
Mamaya, kuritin ka na ng Papa Bo.
Sabi, huwag ka maingay. Nagbibideo nga na kami. What can we talk, baby Killian? About what topic?
Topic?
Yes.
What is a topic?
Topic?
I can make me like a sushi.
Sushi is a food with many vegetable. That is a sushi?
No,
Oh.
that's called the Krabby Patty.
Ano raw?
Yung sushi, hindi yung vegetable.
Ano ba yun? Yung kanin?
What? Krabby Patty. The Krabby Patty.
Tatanungin mo
The
siya.
Krabby Patty has a bun and some vegetables and tomato. and a bun.
Burger! Burger!
No, don't curl that burger. That's a Krabby Patty.
A Krabby Patty, like a SpongeBob? No, SpongeBob cook a Krabby Patty. Ay, nagkaintindihan na kami. Ay, alay! Andito na po sila. My son and my niece.
Your choice.
Tama
look.
ba, niece?
Right.
Ay, nalaloka ko.
Let me
Ayan
get
na.
up with this one.
Ayan. Ay, ang galing. Bakit ito lang? Saan yung katawan ni Ray?
Mama Cho, yung kay Kuya Jay.
Kay kuya.
Oh, baka mama, pag ganun
hi.
yung huwag mo sisiraan, ha?
We have a toy here, like a Dragon Balls. No, like what called?
Can I see your puppet? Where's it? Where's your puppet?
Where's your puppet? Yung yung dipindot-pindot, anong ko tawag?
Puppet.
Puppet,
This,
puppet. It's called a puppet toy.
this one is a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. You know, this called the dinosaur
This
car,
looks like
and
the
this
same.
is
This
a
looks like the
dinosaur puppet.
This looks like the same.
The same. That's why called a dinosaur puppet.
Oh, okay.
Miguel, sarap kausapin ng batang English speaking na.
I had this last time.
What is called that?
Jollibee.
Jollibee!
I put him here.
We put Jollibee in the back of dinosaur car.
You can even put this.
And also the spider.
He kicks it.
He catch it and he throw it. Go. Ooh. Okay na. Let's bye-bye to my video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, video.
Happy video.
Bye.